My name is Gareth Voss, and I'm a freshman at UK, and I'm getting a major in biology and chemistry. At Dunbar, in the math science program, we have to join a faculty mentor at UK for a research project by the beginning of our junior year. And I'd heard about a professor at UK who shared the same last name and the same first name, more or less, as my dad. And his name is Randal Voss, and he studies salamanders and regeneration and other molecular genetics kind of things. Things kind of clicked, and I've been there ever since. Well, the first time I visited the lab, the spring of my sophomore year in high school, really all I saw then were all the animals. They live in small plastic bowls, and they get fed little worms that look kind of like clumps of hair, and some of them live in shoeboxes. And it was just, I was fascinated by what they looked like and how they lived and how they were raised. And then just the whole idea that surgery to remove the hand of a salamander would result in the salamander just growing it back. And that it's an adaptation in the wild, and I just found it fascinating. My project was focused on the regeneration of the salamanders on the tail portion. I was not allowed to do any of the surgeries to remove the tails, but I was able to do the data analysis on the tails and do a lot of interesting things in studying the regeneration of these salamanders. With a lot of the things in research and education, getting an early start is really an advantage. Getting started early gets you sort of exposed to all the things you need to know. Like, by starting in this lab early, I was exposed to more things in genetics than, say, most people my age would have been. But actually going out and working in the lab, it not only puts you on like the cutting edge of research and science, but it also lets you see all the things that your classes are talking about in person and to a greater extent. When I realized that I could go to UK and that I could stay with Dr. Voss and keep working in the lab, I was really excited. So I jumped on it.